Hope you guys enjoy.
Your teachers have been telling me that you've been struggling in class. What seems to be the issue?
I don't know. I find it's hard to focus on the teachers. I can never hear what they're saying.
You can't hear them?
No.
What do you hear?
It's not only what I hear, it's what I see. It's like, well, I guess the only way I could describe it is like a circus. I feel alone, but somehow smothered.
Who's smothering you?
The whole circus. They set their performance up in my head, although I'm not even invited. I don't have a say in what happens in the act. Everything is happening within me, yet I feel isolated from it all. I don't feel accepted. It feels like they only exist to ruin everything.
What do they say? That seems overwhelming. In your case, there are two courses of action.
Being what?
First, you must find the root of your struggles and work through them together.
How would we do that?
First and foremost, you have to want to change the act in your head. You'll have to be honest with both me and yourself.
And the other thing? Mr. Carrillo, I think I'm ready for option 1.
It's been a few months since we started getting to the root of your issues. How would you describe the circus now?
It now feels like my own circus. I understand all of the characters and their roles. I feel like the master of my own life.
When we both know that deep down, the feeling still deep down is good.
For our cast, while I'm setting up their presentation, anybody? Akita? You want to plug VHS?
Why are you so beautiful?
No, this is for your dad's YouTube channel.
Wait, my dad has a YouTube channel?